Kill him, guys.
We've been in the waterfowl game for over 30 years.
That's a stud.
We're waterfowlers making gear for waterfowlers. Come join us as we travel the world and hunt waterfowl. This is The Last Pass.
So I know Kyle. Work closely with him through my Weatherby pro staff work, and he invited me to come along and experience my first waterfowl hunt. So it's been, it's all thanks to Kyle, and I love that this has been my first experience.
Go him.
Every day has had its different scenarios and setups, different weather, whether we had no wind to tons of wind to rain to fog, and it's been fascinating to see the different levels of knowledge that all of these guys have of what setups you can do with your decoys to help and how to set up in the field properly to maximize your ability to get birds in any type of weather scenario. And just knowing that I'm with this knowledgeable team has been an amazing experience, and obviously it's helped get us on birds, and they're next to none.
Kill him, guys. Booner here. Booner here.
That's right there.
No, I've got some other. Thank you.
Trying to keep it quiet.
Can you hand me those? Here.
But maybe they actually went the other way.
Yeah, they went the other way. Did you call the geese this morning, Jay? Make the appointment to meet us here? Oh, you think I'm joking, do you?
You're disappointing me.
Yeah, no doubt.
Try him, guys. Oh, who's back there?
Here. Here.
Okay. Shoot them.
Kill him, guys. Jace, to the left. To the left.
Look at the big wave of lessers.
Where is? Oh my God, that's a lot.
Yo. Oh, yeah. Well, if this lesser flock comes, that would be really nice.
Kill him, guys.
I didn't see that one. Here, Jett. You can't carry 2 in your mouth, Bubba. Here. 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 Heel hold. Heel hold. Heel hold. Sit. Sit. Give. Thank you. Thank you. No bands. Saskatchewan mixed bag. A little windy, not as cold. Lots of lessers, a lot of Arctic geese. Lesser, specks, snows, and a lot of ducks. The ducks haven't come out. They're going water to water. But we're picking off some smaller honkers and then some lessers. And like I said, it kind of mixed. We got a couple snows and a couple specks. So not too bad. And Jett's beyond. His head's exploding. First time in Canada, doesn't know what to think. Because yeah, he loves it. He's worse than me. So yeah, we're doing good.
There they are.
Kill him, guys.
You know the rule. If you find a band, you put it in your pocket.
One more group up front. Snows.
I didn't realize how involved the process was to actually call the birds in. I kind of assumed that you'd place the decoys and things would just sort of happen, but we had a few highly skilled callers, and they were able to bring the birds in, and watching the birds circle as they would slowly get lower and lower and attempt to land in where the decoys were. It was pretty educational and also really exciting to see them get closer and closer.
You want to try them? Yes. Okay.
There was too many pure white ones in there. Dragging the gray ones around.
I don't know. 1 second, there's a single here. 1 second, Blair. I got a sky poke with one here.
Hey, what's going on? It's Mario from Final Approach. As we travel across the United States, Canada, and even Europe, our great partner, Federal Ammunition, is with us. They have everything from Speed Shock to Black Cloud up to TSS, and they have a new duplex load called Ultra Steel. Woo! That might be on your next hunt. Go to federalpremium.com, look up what you need for your hunt wherever you are and what you're chasing, and they're gonna have you covered.
They're not landing, are they? Stop.
Okay, let's try them, guys.
You know, if we don't kill our birds today, Brad's going to say it's because he wasn't here shooting them.
Yeah, that's exactly what he'll say.
Okay.
Can you open up this one?
That kind?
Kill him now, guys. That was good. Jace, grab that live one. Kill those 4.
Were those lessers or are they specks? Well, if they're specks, that's exactly why they did it.
Somebody take him. Oh yeah.
Anybody
You gotta get him. Like this. Booner here! Booner!
Has been an eye-opener for just the sheer number of birds is really cool to see. I have always been a big game hunter, and so my seasons are kind of limited, and this opens up so much more hunting experience and time for me. So I'm really looking forward to getting back in the blind.
There they are.